Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. Back at it again with another review. Hey. So, today I'm going to be talking to you all about, of course, you can tell by the title and my hair, my new locks. Y'all see my locks. Y'all, hold on. Oh, ow, you can have it too. Ooh, ow, you can have it too. Oh, got you. Ooh, ow, you can have it too. Okay, so right now you just see me showing you all the hair, and this is what it looks like. It has kind of a crinkle to it, but you know, we can rock with it or whatever. A little 27 tips. And I'm just gonna apply it in my head. See, I've already started. And let me show y'all how you do option 1. This is in all my other lock videos, and if y'all haven't seen them, go ahead and check them out, boo, because you missing out. Now you want to make sure, like I always say, close that latch. You put that latch while it's open and you got some kinks, it's gonna hurt. So you pull through, got the hair on the latch, pull through, and you make sure you level and measure it to the length of your hair, because we are gonna use one side to wrap and the other to cover our hair as a base. Now keep in mind, when you're wrapping that base, wrap about 4 to 5 times. Watch as I work. Now we're down to the nitty gritty, and it's time to add the glue. So just put a little dot. You don't need that much, just a little bit, as you see right there. And you just wrap the hair right on top of that. And it's that simple, y'all. That easy. And if you want a more detailed video on option 1, check out my other videos, because they are super detailed. And there's a lot of other videos too, but check mine out first. All right, y'all, moving on to option number 2, and check out the size of that hole. I can put my finger through without manipulating the hair, and you can work with it. So here is option number 2. Notice how I slid my finger through the pre-loop. This makes it easier for you to pull the hair through, like so. Okay, so notice right here that I am wrapping the lock over my hair, using that lock as a protector barrier over my hair. So I've never done this before, and all my ride or dies, y'all know I usually build my locks, you know, with the free tress hair that I use. But this time I decided to do this method and try it out, see what the hype is about. And I can say it's pretty easy, fairly straightforward. You can do it as simple as this, or you can unravel the lock a little bit to wrap over. But with this hair, you really don't have to unravel that lock. You could just wrap it over like so. Okay, so y'all see my hair is not poking out and it's in there. So I wanted to show you all. I know I normally use my free tress water wave hair, but everybody, their mom and their grandma and their auntie getting this style. So I had to go with something else. It's called the African Nature Braid Collection, and I used a 22 inch. I did get the water wave pattern as well, and this hair is not bad. It's not bad at all. I actually do like it. It reminds me a lot of the free tress water wave. So if you find yourself, you know, stuck like me, trying to be cute, but you can't find no hair, try them out. It has 3 sections of pre-stretched hair in it, and I recommend them. I recommend them. So same steps, just wrapping and wrapping and wrapping, and make sure you wrap it to your liking. Notice I did not like that because remember I wrapped my hair, so that's not my hair sticking out, but it looks like my hair, and I didn't like that look, so I unraveled and went back over to wrap over, so people don't think that my hair is just out here sticking out. So just making sure that I'm measuring my hair correctly because I want it all to lay, you know, at least around the same spot, because I do like the little staggered look. But I'm just going back up with the hair, not too far up, but just up a little bit. And I'm going to apply the same steps as before. Don't mind my son. It's just adding the glue, just a little dab. That's all you need. And you just cover that up with that last little bit of hair. And that's it, y'all. Easy as pie. I have been approached by a company named Saimisu. I hope I'm spelling it right. Let me spell it for y'all. It's SAIMISU store. And I'm gonna show you. Saimisu. And this hair is bomb.com. And let me tell you why. So this hair comes with 7 packs, and it comes in pack like this, and it is 21 strands of new locks within each pack, and I used 2 packs and some change. I have 49 locks in my hair, and let me tell you, it is very lightweight. Okay, it's not heavy at all. Like, she can go up in a ponytail and not hurt. But let's just get into it. Okay, so just get into the hair. Let's get into it. I would recommend this hair just because, for the simple fact, it is very cheap. Let me tell y'all the cost for it. And this is 18 inches. The color I have is TB127. I'm gonna show y'all what 18 inches look like on me. I'm 5'1.5". It counts. My short people know what I'm saying. So let me show y'all what it looks like on me. And you see how it's here? Now, if you taller than me, I can't help you. It just try to figure out where 18 inches gonna land on you. But it's pretty long for me. It's very lightweight. This hair has no smell at all. And it was very easy to install, like you all saw. And let me get to the price like I promised. So if I do, okay, hold on. I'm gonna go into my orders and I'm gonna show y'all how much the hair cost. Of course, I'm in DC, so it goes off of shipping as well. But if you want an 18 inch, I'm just gonna buy the same thing over. They have the size 14 inch. So they have 14 inch, 18 inch, and 24 inches. I don't need 24 inches of hair, okay? It's already at the top of my behind, so I'm good. And I'm gonna show you the price for each one, because I got y'all, boo, in case y'all wanna do the 14, 18 like me, or the 24. So for the people that wanna do 14 inches of hair, it'll be $29.99 if you wanna do 14 inches of hair. If you want to do 18 inches of hair like me, for 7 packs, it's going to be, for my color, which is T1B27, it'll be $23.64. Which I can't believe for the 7 pack. Huh, okay. Let me add it to my cart to make sure. There's other items in there, hold on. You cart. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, it's really $23.64 for 7 packs for this. Okay, for the 18-inch. For the people that's tall. I know I remember earlier I said I can't help y'all, but I can help y'all. Okay, so if you're tall, like way taller than me, and you want to rock this style, you want to make sure it's on the top of your behind or past it. They got 24 inches for y'all, boo. And that is $36.99 for 7 packs. Okay, I still have 5 packs left. Let me make sure. I still have 5 packs of hair left. So it is definitely worth it. It is cheaper versus going to the hair store and getting, of course, Bobbi Boss New Locs. That is the #1 brand because it's so popular and everyone just loved that one. But I'm telling you, this one is good as well. So you should give it a try because y'all see how this look on me. And I'm over here looking cute. You wanna look cute too? Follow the steps, boo. Follow the steps. But I will give this company a 5 out of 5 stars because they have done their job. They have taken their time to master what these locks are supposed to look like, as well as they don't smell bad at all, like at all. And let me tell you, my head is not itching at all, like from no irritation or anything. It's pretty good. You see how I funked it, and if there's a better way or a different way that you know you would like to do this style, leave that information in the comment section below. I want to see how y'all do y'all's, and I can do a remix to what you do, and I can show y'all how I funked it. But yes, I really do appreciate y'all stick with me to the end, you know, watching my entire process, and as well as my review on this hair, which is a 5 out of 5 stars. Boo. All right, Saimisu. I hope I'm saying it right. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I'm in love with this hair, and I know I will continue to purchase this hair as I continue to do my locks, because y'all know I love locks, and this is not the last time y'all gonna see me rocking some locks. I'm gonna just let y'all know that. All right, okay. So before I go, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns on this hairstyle, or if I didn't address any of your questions in the video, please feel free to comment down below. Let me know what type of questions you have going on. What are your concerns? Or if you just want to stop by and say, hey, okay, I'm here. I'll reply back to y'all comments. If I don't reply back to your comments, it's probably inappropriate because I'm married. Okay, I'm not gonna respond. But if you're asking me a legit question and everything, I got you, okay? So thank y'all for sticking with your girl. And before I go, y'all already know, before you leave, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you not what? Left behind, because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there, boo. You want to be up here with me getting this knowledge and this tea when I drop it, all right? I will see y'all till next time. Bye.